Hey guys, Jake here back with another video. Got back from the Wacky Tobacco store with a bag of goodies. Goodies kind of loosely used. And well, I got a couple of things that I've never done before. Got some Kayak grape. 2 tins of Grizzly Natural Extra Long Cut. Here's the second tin of that. And then I got some Kayak Fine Cut Natural. And I think I'm going to be dipping a little bit of this today. And I've heard that you're supposed to dip Fine Cut just in the middle of your lip. So I'll do that. Shit, now I feel like an idiot. It sucks when you bite your fucking nails off and then you can't open a goddamn tin. But hold on, I'm a dumbass. Started packing this fucking tin before I even got the bastard open.
I'm not gonna get rid of this cup of coffee. I can always refill it. I recently went on vacation. I went to Hawaii. It was incredible. I kissed the face of a dolphin. I rode its belly through water. Okay, the funnest thing you have ever done in the water. Go ahead.
The craziest thing that ever happened in the water is when I went snorkeling in a barracuda.
Alright, this fucking the shit on the outside of this kayak is just gay. Alright.
It was a big one. It looked like a shark.
Well, this next segment is simply
Alright,
called
so
Stay Out of the Water.
I'll see. You guys see that? Looks alright, I mean not too sketchy. I'm gonna start off with a small pinch because I've never done this shit before, and this is the reason I never get fine cut because it's hard as fuck to pinch. Alright, so the mud jug of the day. I only have 2, so I kind of alternate them. American flag mud jug, you know. It's the white mud jug. This fine cut might have just been a terrible idea. Honestly, when I was at the tobacco store, I thought it was long cut. Now I feel like a dumbass. It's kind of gratty. Oh, and I went to Taco Bell right after. So I got the $5 box. Unlock the box. Actually won one of these PS Vitas too. I was trying to Taco Bell. It was pretty cool. I'm kidding, I didn't actually win that. Watching Ridiculousness, probably one of the funniest shows ever made. But yeah, the next video is definitely going to be on this Kayak grape. Hopefully that's good. And then maybe we'll do like a 2-parter and dip some of this with some of my buddies. Here's their extra long cut natural. Is that it? From what I've heard, it's pretty fucking awesome. Finally got off my coat bender. Copenhagen natural extra long cut and just regular long cut. Yeah, but this Kayak Fine Cut Natural ain't too bad. The first time I ever had Fine Cut, it was Coke Snuff? Yeah, Coke Snuff. And I was an idiot and put it way over here and it was just like, boop! Gave me a fucking thin-ass horseshoe. It was stupid. Anyway, I don't really want to make a long video because I don't really have the time because I'm going to bed here pretty quick. It's like 8:35. But yeah, guys, oh, more news. not really news, but my friend Ashton DeFusco is going to Marine Corps boot camp, I think Saturday. So that's exciting for her. Become a fucking jarhead. Ooh, brah. So, and this Wednesday is our last PT with her, so. And we're playing football, so fuck it. Mud jugs. Can you see that mud jug thing? Yeah, you can. Anyway, that's all I got, guys. Subscribe, comment. Or don't, I'm partial to it. Don't really matter to me. I'm just going to keep putting up videos until you start viewing them, so might as well get used to it. Salutations.